Hi guys, it's Julie. Welcome back to the Scrap Zone and welcome back to my 52 weeks project. Today I'm going to share with you week number 11. Now if you remember, last week I did this layout right here and I wanted to do a double page spread. So I kind of cheated and I worked on week number 11 as well. So here is week number 11 and I did hollow out that center just like the other one. So I'm going to finish putting that page together. And at the time that I was filming this, I did not have my picture yet, but I thought I'd just get a little bit of a head start. So I'm going to add these pieces here, and this is the Heather cardstock, and it's been stamped with that beautiful sentiment paper. Now, if you like to see how I did that, just watch the video from week number 10. So I'm going to add these two little strips on either side, and then I'm going to add that piece that I cut off from that left side, and it's just going to go right on top. So those are all zip strips. I'm really glad that I kind of took the time to do that. They're all glued down on just printer paper. Goes really, really fast. You just pop that right on the top, just like so. There we go. We're going to put that right there. And so this layout here is a 4x3 photo. So I've got a little bit more room at the bottom. So I just added another zip strip and I'm just going to line that up and I'm just going to put that down. And I know I want to take a picture of St. Patty's, even though we're not going to go out and not drink green beer because we can't. I'm sure I'll find something to do. So let's add a few of those little hearts, and I'm going to look at my left page just to make sure that I've got an equal balance from the left to the right. I think I want this one right here. Yeah, I really like that. 1, 2, 3 little hearts. Yep, that looks good. So, St. Patty's. Well, of course, we didn't go out, and I knew I wanted to take a picture, so I went to 3 stores, I think. Finally found the St. Patty's cupcakes, and yes, I did bribe my kids to take that picture. Anyways, here I'm cutting down my little strip of journaling. I just print those on a 4x6 piece of cardstock. I put them in my little Epson printer and then I just cut them down. I'm going to add them right here at the bottom of the picture and add my little weeks, so my little tiles. And if you can see here, I did kind of add a little bit of a cardstock at the bottom just so that I can sneak it right underneath. When I cut them, I just kind of leave a little tail and it just makes it easier to add to my page. So that's pretty much it. Oh wait, I'm gonna glue down these little hearts, and this is just liquid glass. I've transferred it into this smaller bottle. It's just easier for me. So I'm gonna pop that right here, and I'm gonna add my second one. I think I'm done. Wait a minute. No, I still need my little enamel dots. So I'm gonna put one here. I'm gonna add a second one right here, and then I think I'm gonna stick to the left side. There we go. All right. And just like that, my week number 11 is all done. I totally bribed my kids to take that picture. Come on, you guys do it too. Anyways, thanks for hanging out with me. I hope you're enjoying this project. And like always, don't forget to take pictures. See you next week.